Hai, Assalamualaikum. Tung Media Syahirah. My name is Siti Nafilza binti Muhammad Bahtiar. I'm from Radiology 2A, and today I want to presentation about my assignment, and my part is introduction and question 1. So for my introduction, is about matrices are rectangular grids made up of number, symbols or expression arranged in row and column. They are an important part of mathematics and allow us to do operation like addition, multiplication, and solving system of linear equation. Matrices are used in many real-world situations, such as in engineering, physics, computer science, for graphics, encryption, and machine learning, economics, and quantum mechanics. They help solve problems, model systems, and analyze data, making them essential for progress in technology and science. For question 1, the question is given 1/4 in matrix R4, S16, and in matrix 2 is 20, 12, S and 16 equal to matrix 120, 85, 45, and 79. So determine the value of R and S. So from the question above, I take it out for easy to explain the answer. So as you can see, I call it matrix 1, matrix 2, and matrix 3. So for solve the first answer, we are from matrix 1. In first row, we need to multiply it in matrix 2. So you can see in matrix 1, from row 1, I multiply it for in matrix 2 in column 1 and column 2. Same for the second row, I multiply it in matrix 2 in column 1 and column 2. So you can see the under the question, I write in 1/4 matrix R multiply 20 plus 4 multiply S, and R multiply 12 plus 4 multiply 16. For the row 2, I multiply S in 220 plus 60 multiply S. So S multiply 12 and plus 60 multiply 16 equal to matrix 120, 85, 45, and 79. So the answer for the multiply question, I got 1/4 matrix 20R plus 4S and 12R plus 64, and row 2 is 20S plus 16S, 12S plus 256 equal to matrix 120, 85, 45, and 79. So for the third answer, I might multiply 1/4 multiply inside the matrix. So it's got 1/4 multiply 20R plus 4S, 1/4 and 12R plus 64, and 1/4 multiply 36 as 1 over 4 multiply 12R plus 256 equal to matrix 120, 85, 45 and 79. So for the answer in fourth place, after I divide it, they can be throw the answer for in small numbers. So I got 5R plus S and 3R plus 16, 9S and 3S plus 64 equal to 120, 85, 45 and 79. So the question asks for determine the value of R and S. So for R and S value, I solve the 3R plus 16 equal to 85. So 3R is 3 equal and 85 and plus positive 16, take it to the back, so it change to 16. So 3R equal to 69. So R equal to 69 over 3 equal to 23. For S, 9S equal 45. So S equal 45 over 9, S equal to 5. For the third, so 3S plus 64 equal to 79. 3S equal to 79, subtraction 64 and 3S equal to 15. So S equal to 15 over 3 and S equal to 5.
2. A problem is a college student spent 250 ringgit to purchase 100 files. There are two types of files, where X represent the number of files of brand A that are costing 2 ringgit each, and Y represent the number of files of brand B. The costing RM 3 ringgit for each files. The equation that govern the problem are X plus Y equal 100, 2X plus 3Y equal 250. So this equation using two methods that A, we using a metric forms. In a metric forms, on the left, we need to fill the equation in a 2 rows and 2 columns, that 1 1 and 2 3 in one column matrix represent the coefficient of X and Y from the system of equation. The vector is in a column X, Y represent the unknown that we want to solve for. We need to find in inversion method. First step is we need to calculate the determinant of A. So determinant of A is 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then we find the inverse of matrix A. So inverse of matrix A is A equal 1 divided determinant in bracket matrix. So we need to know that matrix that we need fills is from the equation 1, that matrix A, the inverse we need to is 1 divide 1 in a bracket the matrix A we need to inverse, so negative 1 positive become a negative 1, and positive 2 become a negative 2. 3 and 1 just replace them. So So after that we need to multiply the inverse of matrix A by the constant of vector 100 and 250. So
for question number 3, this is our situation. Mr. Ahmad want to install a new fence around his gardens. Company X, Y, and Z offer package service with similar package that include over the panel, a post, and a little of paints. So, Company X offer a 2 water panel, 4 posts, and 2 little of paint for 180 ringgit. Company Y offer 3 water panels, 8 posts and 4 litres of paint for 150 units. Company Z offers 6 water panels, 12 posts and 8 litres of paint for 200 units. So, how to solve these problems? So, we need to represent X, Y and Z. So, X represent the price per water panels, Y represent the price per post, and Z is represent the price per liter of paint. So, we have a 3 expression based on the expressions. So the first expression is 2x plus 4y plus 2z equals to 118. Expression number 2 is 3x plus 8y plus 4z equals to 150 ringgit, 150. So expression number 3 is 6x plus 12y plus 8z equals to 200. So step number 1, we need to transform into matrix equations. So the 3 expression we get, we need to transform into matrix equations. After we transform into matrix equation, step number 2 is we need to determine determinants of matrix. How to determine the determinants of matrix? So we need to use a method, Cramer's rules, in this problem. So after for the first step is, so we need to determine determinants of the matrix. So how to determine? First we need to calculate each term. Like first term, 2 multiply 16 equals to 32. Second term, 4 multiply 0 equals to 0. Third term is 2 multiply negative 12 equals to negative 24. So after we combine the result, so determinants of the matrix is 8. So step 3 is we need to determine determinants of company X. First we need to determine. So how to determine X? First we need to multiply each term. Like first term 880 multiply 60 equals to 2880. Second term is 4 multiply 400 equals to 1600. Third term 2 multiply 200 equals to 400. So after we multiply each term, we need to subtract the value. So after we subtract the value, the determinant of company X is 880. So after we determine the X, we need to find the determinants of X. So how to find determinants? So determinants of X divide into the determinants of matrix. So the answer, so 880 divide X equals to 100 times. So that is the answer for determinant of X. So step number 4, we use the same step like step number 3. For Y, we need to multiply each term. After we multiply each term, we get the result, and we need to combine the result and determine of Y. We get the answer is 200 ringgit. So 200. Sorry. So to find the determinant of Y, we need to divide 200 divide to 8, the answer is 25. So that is determinants of y answer. So step number 5, we need to find determinants of z. We use the same step, like we need to multiply each term. After that we get the result. After we get the result of determine of z, we got negative 1360. So after we get the answer of determine of z, we need to find determinants. So determine of z divide into determinants of matrix. So negative 1360 divide into 8, we get the answer is negative 170. So that is the answer for determinants of z. So as a conclusion, when determinants of the coefficient matrix in Cramer's rule is very close to 0, it indicates that the system of equation is nearly singular, meaning the equation may be dependent or nearly identical. So this results in potential issue with finding a unique solution, as the system might have infinitely many solutions or none at all. In practical terms, this suggests that using Cramer rule could be unreliable for determinants exact value. Instead, directly comparing the cost package from each company is simple and more effective method to determine which company offers the best deal, avoiding the complexity and limitation of nearly singular system.